Good morning, everybody, and welcome to. And good morning, everybody, with that funky tune. It's time for Option Pit, your home for options trading and education. It is Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com. Welcome you to the Morning Vol Report. First, couple things. Register for our boot camp. 9 hours, June 9th. Boom. For all Option Pit customers, I believe that are Option Pit Live or above, boot camp is free. Some of the goodies that we give our clients. All right. If you are not an Option Pit subscriber, it's going to cost you money, but it's a great deal. So again, you click on here. Mark's going to do a little wheel trade here.
I want to welcome you to the Option Pit webinar of the month.
There you go. So you get an idea of stylistically what we do. But boot camp is how to understanding really how to generate income from options, like what makes that, understanding wheels, selling puts, improving your directional trades using vol, understand about delta neutral spreading, and also managing risk. Okay, it's an intense. It's 9 hours, but our clients do seem to like it. We offer it every quarter. Okay, and I think this will be or I guess maybe twice a year. All right, so pop on in, register now, and see what Option Pit's all about. All right, so I guess the big news here really is, well, Treasuries again weaker. Let me get a, there we go, that's what I wanted. Now notice something. Treasury softer, the euro softer, obviously on, they're increasing their bond buying program because they're liking the results. Okay. But even as bonds drop a little bit, not a lot of response from volatility. Okay, the market's moving a little bit, not very much. It's not 0.4%, it's 0.04%. So again, we need some better news, but it sounds like the EU is going to kind of keep up with QE, which looks like that market likes a lot. So the kind of trades, again, we're looking for, I think volatility still, it's not that I think it's going to drop a lot, but it looks like, you know, we're moving into the summer and it's starting to drift a little lower. We have a big drop in the May future from yesterday to today. It's now trading 13.20. You know, and we looked at little VIX put trades, lots of little stuff like that, aiming more toward 13. And it looks that's right where we are going right now. Right? The 14 puts are now worth $1. I think they were trading for what, 40 or 50 cents yesterday. All these put spreads are now getting fully priced. So again, all this stuff sort of popped up, and that May future finally gave it up today. So what is happening though is you've got what I would just call a fair amount in June. So volatility, at least for now, I'm just going to say it looks fairly priced. Right? Futures are about normal. Vol futures, there's nothing really, I would say, intensely out of whack. So the market, even though we have an FOMC meeting, the minute release tomorrow or when they give their next stance, which has usually moved the market a lot, right now they're not pricing a whole lot of that. Basically saying, we know what they're going to say, it's not going to be a big deal, we're moving on. And that's at least how volatility is pricing it right now. Okay? And we'll see, you know, and we'll see what happens after that. But it looks like we're probably going to see some softness and volatility here for a little bit. All right. Other than that, Join us again in our chat room. We'll take a look at a couple. Looks like oil too is starting to pull back a little bit. All the drillers, everything, so stuff like that, starting to give it up a little. And we'll look at some trades in there as well. All right. But right now, tech still looks strong. Google's making a little rally. Apple, Amazon, and that's still where the strength is. That and financials, and it doesn't look like it's going away anytime soon. All right, everybody, I will see you all in our chat room this morning. Bye-bye.